Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today the motto of this video is about taking a resolution and working on it, because there's multiple people who create resolution for the new year but they haven't able to basically consistently work on because of lack of motivation and lack of basically acceptance, like that matters most basically. So this happened to everyone's, and in initially phase of my life that also happened because I'm also a human being. So what I did is basically I just find out why I just want to do this. Basically for I have said so down some sort of plans for like fitness and mindsets. There's four level of things which we I want to basically improve myself. That is about like I'm having like I plan to go gym every day because sometime I missed, and the second part is like basically upload video every day. That is also the kind of field where I'm missing uploading a lot of multiple videos in a weekly basis. So, and the third one is basically a trading, which is I'm frequently doing but still I'm making loss. And the fourth one is time management. I'm able to basically work on but still I'm deleted my plans sometimes. So these are the four things which I'm going to focus more on and try to be a consistent on these four things, because I just want to get the result. And there is some sort of thing which is because of that I'm not able to achieve is this cell phone. This is very impactful because if you want to basically, I hate a lot of people's like, so you need to skip this cell phone because this is a habit. Whenever you get it, there is lot of notification you got and you don't know basically what you planned. So but I am very confident about this year and I'm going to achieve multiple tasks which is pending and where I'm not able to fully focus the thing which is required from my end. But yeah, I'm going to do it. And if somebody is also like want to basically do something, so he need to basically actually record himself, because that is the most important thing. If you are speaking on publicly, so there is videos on the platform. You can see basically you have done a lot of things but still there is some sort of reason you are not able to basically focus on. You need to find out that thing basically and just skip and just consistently work on it. And there is a lot of things which I'm going to focus more on nowadays. Basically I'm basically recording myself to commit more and able to basically discipline on the things which is most priority things in my life. So yeah, these are the four things which is very important. And apart from this, I do have a habit of reading books, but by not having too much time basically, I'm not able to basically focus on that as well. There's multiple things which I want to basically do, but still if I'm doing consistently and slowly basis, I know that I'm able to achieve that in upcoming days. The consistency which I want to basically grab it upcoming future. So today's video, that is it. If you really want to basically do something for yourself, just start from the today, because there is lot of time we have already wasted. So just focus on learning and growing yourself. That is most important for every person. So on this note, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. You can watch my previous videos on English language. So bye bye, have a good day.